In the South African Constitution, 1996, Section 12, it says that every individual deserves the right to safety, protection, and especially against violence. And the Domestic Violence Act 1998 states that every woman should be protected against domestic violence, and there should be protective orders against their abusers. Thank you for being here. In solidarity and in strength, steady, powerful, and a united front. We walk today because every woman deserves to feel seen and safe. And as we stand here together to look around and say that your story matters, your life matters, and her life matters. And femicide and gender-based violence, we know we are the highest in the world. But today, let's walk for the names behind.